If you're stuck in a rut and really want to break out of that rut, you got to be willing to try new things. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made a total of $78.78, and that brings my total over these 172 days now to $15,748.40, and it's an average per day of $91.56. And the thing is, I never would have gotten to this point unless I was just willing to try new things. I wanted to try out this 100K in a year challenge, and while that's not going the best, it is making some progress. And I just want to share another little thing about what I'm trying right now to see if something comes of it, because sometimes you just got to be willing to try things, even if you don't know what's going to come of it. So we all know about the TikTok ban recently, and in the process of that ban, a lot of TikTok users went to other apps to see, if it's something that they wanted to try, a different place that they wanted to have as their community. So in the process, a lot of people went to this other app called Rednote. Now, some people say don't go to Rednote. It's even more Chinese propaganda. It's even more controlled by the government, and maybe it is. I don't know. But the thing is, in the process, I just wanted to try something new. So I went to this other app called Rednote. I'm very careful about what things I allow it to see in my phone. I tell it to only look at limited videos and photos and these kinds of things, so it doesn't have full access and that. So I do encourage that. Maybe that's probably even good practice for all kinds of social media apps, right? But the thing is, okay, so I go to this other app called Rednote, and I decide I don't want to just be a lurker. I want to actually be a poster. So I start by just introducing myself, but instead of doing that in English, I say ni hao, which is hello. I know a little bit of Chinese from Duolingo, so I just decided I'm not going to speak English on this app. I'm going to try to learn Chinese on this app. So every day I post just like a 10 or 15-second video and say, ni hao, I'm an American.
你好，我是美国人，你能教我中文吗？
I ask what their nationality is, if they're Chinese.
你好，我是美国人，你是中国人吗？
And I started getting some followers, lots and lots of likes, lots and lots of comments. Now, I'm certainly not blowing up by any means, but after 4 days of posting, just 4 days of posting, I've already gotten 300 followers on this app called Rednote. Now, for Americans, there's almost no monetization ability there, at least not yet, but I'm just having fun with it, right? I don't know where it's going to lead. I'm just enjoying the process. And here's the thing, when it comes to any kind of endeavor online, you simply have to enjoy the process. Even if you don't know completely where it's going to go, even if you don't know if there's any money opportunities there, figure out what it is that you're passionate about and do it. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.
你们都是非常善良的人，谢谢。